Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? This is part one of a three-part series where I discuss geocaching resources for your geocaching career. In this video, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use geolifeline.com to project a waypoint. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, the first resource that we're going to talk about is called geolifeline.com. So let's take a look to see what it can actually do for us. So I discovered this website when I was going through the Honeybee GeoArt series. So in order to project a waypoint using this website, we're going to have to put in the starting coordinates, which are right up here. So let's highlight it. Then you're going to copy it and you're going to input it right here into the first box. From there, you're going to go. It's going to ask you to do the distance. So how far are we going to go? Well, the website says to go 7,495 feet. So we're going to type in that right there. And if you hit the little drop down menu, it will give you either miles, yards, feet, kilometers, and meters. Well, they tell you in the cache description to use feet. So let's go ahead and use feet. Now the bearing or the degrees is the next thing. And this particular cache wants you to go 345.04 degrees. So let's copy that, put it right here in the website, and then all you have to do is just hit project. We'll project the coordinates in the exact format that you're looking for, which is going to be the degrees, decimal, minutes. And so all you have to do is just copy this, highlight it, copy it, go back to the website, click on the little pencil right here, and then hit paste into here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to get rid of that fourth digit and then hit submit, and voila, it has submitted the coordinates and you're ready to go. And when you view it on the map, it will show you the corrected coordinates location instead of the old coordinates. So let's go ahead and take a look at that real fast. You'll see the little blue thing right there. That shows you that is the corrected coordinates. It is no longer on the map. There it is. And if you want to zoom out, the Honeybee is down here, and that spot would have been right up here by number 84, but it's now projected up here. So that's a little bit about geolifeline.com. It's very useful if you're doing caches where you have to do projections based on the starting location. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to wrap up this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Social media links are in the description. I'm currently uploading on Thursdays and Sundays at the moment, so check back frequently for my most recent video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.